Today, I'd like to share a video with you explaining what types of venues are suitable for industrial energy-saving air conditioners, such as enclosed factories, for humid commercial spaces, or can use our energy-saving AC units because during cooling, it creates no moisture, maintains steady temperature and humidity. Our 8 horsepower model, it spans 300 SQM, 900 cubic meters, uses 6 kWh. The PVC water pipes are easy to install and remove for all connections. Moreover, as a maker, we provide many models and designs. It has extensive application scenarios, including commercial spaces such as internet cafes. Its bars, billiard hall, badminton court, and gym are all available for use. Then, as for factories, electronic factories, garment factories, handbag factories, textile mills, and shoe material factories are all suitable for application. Our factory is in Wanjiang, Dongguan. If you'd like to learn more about our industrial HVAC systems, visit our factory for an on-site inspection anytime.